Hi everyone. I received my third Simply Beads Kit of the Month Club. I think that's what it's called. From Annie's. Gosh, where did they even? Simply Beads Kit Club. And this particular one came in this lovely envelope, so I thought I'd share that with you. I thought that was pretty cool. It says open for inspiration. Awesome. Because I do paper crafting and stuff too, so I thought this was really cool. So yeah, I just had to share that with you. So this month it's called, and I get it every other month, and I've made 1 out of 3 so far. Stay tuned for the other one, the first one. I do have plans to make that soon. Anyway, this is called Simply Stacked Bracelets. Beautiful howlite, which is the white with black bead. Awesome. And gold findings create a stunning set to dress up or down. And I believe these are stretch bracelets. And there's a piece of like druzy in a gold something with 2 beads, it looks like. So anyway, let's see. Oh, you know what? I tried to order that one time and I couldn't get it. It's supposed to be like E6000, but less smelly. So that'll be good. They just call it glue. In fact, the picture has E6000 on it. So maybe they found this is better. I don't know. So we have round howlite stones in 6 and 10 millimeter. So here's the 6 and here's the 10, which are falling out of the bag, broke on the bottom. That's interesting. Hope everything's there. Then we have our glue. This is stretch cord. It doesn't really say anything other than elastic cord. It looks really thick, but that might be all right with 10 millimeter beads. Yeah, it's a pretty thick one. I don't know if it's 0.8 or 1.0. It looks like 1.0 though. And it's clear. Okay, then we have, oh, a druzy bar. I want to see this. I don't make many stretch bracelets, so this will be interesting for me. I make them once in a while. That's really pretty. I'm not sure I'd normally put that on a stretch bracelet though. I'd be more inclined to use that as a necklace piece on a simple chain, but we'll see. I'll do it. I'm going to do it how they say. And then 2 tubes, plain gold. And these are called crystal rondelles 4x3, and they're in a gray color, which goes very well, of course, with the grayish lines in the howlite. And then we have crystal rondelles, also same size, but these are, they look more white. They're not clear. I was trying to see if they're like opal or, yeah, they sort of have an opalescence to them. They're not white opaque, but they're not clear with an AB either. They're like a crystal opal. And I'm just gonna put them back down here. Okay, and then we have some gold things. I'm staticky today, apparently. Okay, these are those, they call them metal wavy rondelles. These are the ones, I actually bought some of these not long ago, plus I had some. These are what some call potato chip beads. Although these are more wavy than the other ones. They have more pronounced, well, that's going to be glary for you. Sorry. I don't know. Anyway, you get the idea. And then these are metal faceted nuggets. They look like cubes to me. Well, yeah, they're like the rounded cubes. They're really nice though. They're good quality. Sort of a rounded square cube. Okay, I'm going to put them back in their bag, or a bag. Don't even know if it's the same one. So that is the components for this month's kit, or this third kit that I got, and it's again called Simply Stacked Bracelets. I like them. I would wear these. They're like a neutral. I do normally prefer silver, but we'll go with gold. So thank you for watching, and I will let you know when I have this done, and we'll share it with you. These kits that I buy from Annie's, they're for my own personal use, and more just to hopefully learn some new techniques or practice up on techniques, and then I can make things for the business, you know, other than that. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll be back soon. Bye.